had a story to tell, but nobody could tell. With the arch of my back plateaued against this cold wall, it baffled me. This reflection of someone I never wanted to be. I have never found love to make me cry when misery is but the only sensation left to feel. You realize that nothing ever heals when you keep it concealed. I cannot sit here full of these poisonous emotions. There ought to be more, for my stomach continues to grow. Nobody said that love would be all flowers and sweet-scented roses. So when life gives you nothing but lemons, you learn to squeeze them. Thank God for salt, for it numbs all sourness. It just doesn't make any sense. You are supposed to love me. I was committed to this and did not want it to end. Perhaps you were tired of things, or rather tired of me. Culture, just hold on instead of ruining the yet to come. We did not fight or anything. I just gave a little room for doubt. In my loneliest of nights, I still yearn for you. I have caught myself crying in between the wee hours of the morning, and out of all your lies, I love you was my favorite. Why do we even bother to love when it does not last? With the air brimming so thick with lust, it mirrors one's decay. Although my ear firmly pressed upon another man's chest, his heartbeat mimicked a staccato I had wished were yours. The little girl in me still longs for your presence. You had taught me just how easy it were to fall asleep in one's arms. When a fountain in me was stirred, that which I rather not have probed, our tears turned into raindrops that moistened the dry and desolate soil of our ignorance, infertile and reluctant to growth, unsettled and unpredictable. Dare we still give into temptation and all temporary pleasures that result with unpleasant misgivings? Where then does one draw an olive branch of promise with so many atrocities and so much camouflaged false hope? These men have silver tongues and golden slither, making you believe their every element. Only you could ever sense the vibrato of my voice, of my laughter morphing to tears. You touched me and I would quake. Still up emotions I had only thought to dream, just perfect within your imperfections. You awakened a realm of epiphany within me. You had found comfort in my dead silence. You needn't words to have known it was the perfect time for a kiss. I was sick. I was sick and tired of crossing the T's and dotting the I's, so I left. I left. I left, but a part of me remained. It was never really about you, I, nor we. Yes, I saw the world when I looked into your eyes. The world you so attractively and notoriously sold to me. But you and I know perfectly well that it was never really yours in the first place. So the so-called apple of your eye could not have been I. And yes, I have missed you. Just as the heart decomposes from its self-inflicted death. There is no maybe. There's only me. There's only you, and never will there be an us. And no, I do not hate you. I'm just disappointed that you turned into everything you said you would never be. When all is lost and plundered, and can no longer find reason to stay, sometimes nothing is ever enough. And your name shall be opaque to my mind, an ever more distant nature to my tongue.
Letting go of you it's about love, and it's complications and complexities. There's a saying that goes, all is fair in love and war, and I believe there's nothing best to describe it. It's never easy to let go, but when you're willing to get hurt, it gets easier. Love is about risks. You win some, you lose some.